Moving your USDT between exchanges can save you money. You can avoid high fees. You can also save time. This is important when you need to act fast on a trading opportunity. This guide will show you how to move your USDT from OKX to Binance. This guide is simple and easy to follow. You will learn how to find your Binance USDT address. You will also learn how to start the transfer on OKX. Finally, we will cover how to confirm your transaction. By the end, you will be able to move your USDT with confidence. Transferring USDT might seem complicated at first, however it is a straightforward process. This guide will break it down into easy steps. We will use clear language. You do not need any technical knowledge to follow along. We will address common concerns. You will learn how to keep your funds safe. We will also cover how to avoid common mistakes. This guide will give you the knowledge and confidence to transfer your USDT without any hassle. Many users face challenges when transferring USDT. They may not know where to find their Binance wallet address. They might also be unsure about the correct process on OKX. This can lead to confusion and mistakes. Security is another concern. Users need to ensure they are sending their USDT to the correct address. A small mistake in the address can result in losing their funds. This guide will address these challenges and provide clear solutions. Section 4. Moving your USDT from OKX to Binance. First, log into your Binance account. Go to your wallet and find your USDT address. This is a unique code that identifies your USDT wallet on Binance. Copy this address carefully. Next, log into your OKX account. Go to the withdrawal section and select USDT. Paste your Binance USDT address into the recipient field. Double-check the address to avoid any errors. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Review the transaction details including any fees. Confirm the transfer. OKX will process your request. Section 5. USDT transfer complete. Once OKX confirms the transaction, your USDT is on its way to Binance. This may take a few minutes depending on network traffic. You can track the status of your transfer on the OKX platform. When the transfer is complete, you will see the USDT in your Binance account. You have now successfully transferred your USDT from OKX to Binance. Section 6. Ensuring a smooth transfer. Always double-check the recipient's wallet address before confirming any transfer. This is crucial to avoid sending your USDT to the wrong address. Start with small test transfers when transferring to a new platform or wallet. This helps you familiarize yourself with the process and ensures everything is working correctly. Keep your exchange accounts secure with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized access. Section 7. Learn more about crypto transfers. Transferring USDT is a fundamental skill in the cryptocurrency world. It allows you to manage your funds effectively. It also opens up opportunities for trading and investing on different platforms. Follow me for more cryptocurrency tips and tricks. I regularly share insights on navigating the crypto space, from understanding blockchain technology to making informed investment decisions.